Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Ryder and today we're going to give my 2002 a spring detail. Now, my 2002 has been sitting in the garage since November and it is in need of a spring detail. So without any further ado, I'm going to get started. Alright, now we got to move the thing. So in case you guys ever get in an 02, press that button. A lot of my friends don't know that. I will start on the wheels. Now these aren't too bad. This thing has not been out in a long time, but I still want to wash them anyways, so... Now I did use APC on the tire wall because I wanted to get off any old shine I had on there. Now I'm just going to do the same steps on all of the other wheels. So now we got these BBS wheels looking absolutely fantastic. Now we're going to focus on the paint. Now it's a little bit dusty. I know you guys probably can't see it because the car is bright silver. And if you're asking, this thing has been repainted. I don't know when. It has a little bit of rust, but do I care? Not really. Now if you're like me and you have an old car with bad window seals, you know the pain of putting towels on the windows so it doesn't leak while I'm washing. And the steps I'm just going to take on the paint is just do spray it down with water, then spray it with soap, then just use a wash mitt from top down, and that'll be it. And that's that. Didn't take me too long, you know, it didn't need a proper spring cleaning because all I did was just sit. This car has not been driven in a long time. But I will say, on camera, seeing this, it looks ridiculous. Check out this silver paint. The depth is absolutely crazy. Now for me, the last step I'm going to do in this detail is to do a layer of this spray detailer, and that will be it. It will boost your paint and it will stay nice and fresh. And just like that, the car is done. That thin layer of wax brought out the last bit of shine we needed. That is going to officially end today's video. If you liked it, please smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.